to get the VW bug ready for the technical inspection, we have to refill and bleed the brake fluid, because I'm guessing it's very old. So let's test this first and then bleed all 4 brakes. And this VW bug already has 2 brake circuits, front and rear. Another thing we have to address are the door seals, because these are old and brittle. There is already a good part of the seal or the lip missing, so we got new ones and we're gonna replace them. This is where the old brake fluid is. I'm gonna test this real quick and then I'm gonna pump it out. So let's get the tester. Over 4% water. This is not good. Almost. I pulled out the old brake fluid, filled in some new, and now let's bleed the first brake, the rear passenger side. Down. Up. Down. Up, down, up, down. That's it. First brake done. Nicht schrecken. Done. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, done. And we got the door seals for the VW Bug. They were white. And yeah, I searched on the interwebs a bit and found out that this is a so-called bloom. So this bloom removal, we tried it with alcohol, but the rubber turned white immediately after the alcohol dried up. So we tried it with olive oil and it looked good in the beginning, and over time even this olive oil dried up, got sucked into the rubber, I don't know, and the seals are whitish again, not as white as when we got them, but white again. So we have to address that in the future again. So if you have any hints on how to get the rubber black again, drop them down in the comments below. My next thing I want to try
is to spray them with silicone spray. Maybe that one helps. We'll see. I'll definitely keep you posted on that one. But other than that, replacing the old door seals was a pretty straightforward job because they were not glued in, they are just pushed in, and at one time we had to push out the door jamb pin. It was pretty straightforward, a pretty easy job, and if you close the door, you can really feel that there is some kind of restriction. You can feel that the rubber seals tightly, which wasn't the case with the old seals. Thanks for watching, take care, drive safe, and see you next time.